C. Introduction. What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language despite being old. C is strongly associated with Unix, as it was developed to write the Unix operating system. Why learn C? It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other popular programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C#, etc., as the syntax is similar. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. Difference between C and C++. C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects, while C does not. Get started. This tutorial will teach you the very basics of C. It is not necessary to have any prior programming experience. Get started with C. To start using C, you need two things: a text editor, like Notepad, to write C code; a compiler, like GCC, to translate the C code into a language that the computer will understand. There are many text editors and compilers to choose from. In this tutorial, we will use an IDE. C install IDE. An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is used to edit and compile the code. Popular IDEs include Code, Blocks, Eclipse, and Visual Studio. These are all free, and they can be used to both edit and debug C code. Note: web-based IDEs can work as well, but functionality is limited. We will use Code Blocks in our tutorial, which we believe is a good place to start. You can find the latest version of Code Blocks at http://www.codeblocks.org/. Download the mingwsetup.x file. C Quick Start. Let's create our first C file. Open Code Blocks and go to File, New Empty File. Write the following C code and save the file as myfirstprogram.c. File save file as. Don't worry if you don't understand the code above, we will discuss it in detail in later chapters. For now, focus on how to run the code. In Code Blocks, it should look like this. Then, go to Build and Run to run, execute the program. The result will look something to this. Congratulations! You have now written and executed your first C program.